If I say to you, don't think of, and then I mention a certain color, you're gonna think about that color. Example, if I say, don't think on the color blue, the minute I mention blue, you're gonna think about that color. How crazy is that? Why this is important? In life, what you want to do to have a better life or be happier is to mention the things you want instead of the things you don't want. Don't say, I don't want to lose my job. Don't say, I don't want to be unhealthy. Don't say, I don't want to lose friends. Forget about it. Don't mention. What you need to do, say the things you want. I want to be better. I want amazing health. I want loads of friends. I just want to be happy. And then, that's why you see it. That's your reality. Mention what you want and you will see it. Because Because visualization then becomes reality, and your reality is the things you say, is the things you mention. Think about it. Be smart now.